Welcome to our in-depth review of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We'll cover its pros and cons, product specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if the DJI Mini 4 Pro right for you. Let's dive in. Looking for the best DJI drone for beginners? The DJI Mini 4 Pro might just be your perfect match. It blends professional-level features with a compact, easy-to-use design, making it ideal for first-time flyers and travel enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone eliminates the hassle of registration for most recreational users. Simply unpack, power on, and take off. No paperwork, no delay. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes, documenting an epic road trip, or just enjoying a casual flight in the park, this drone is your gateway to the skies. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped to deliver a powerful aerial experience while keeping things beginner-friendly. It offers stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, delivering vibrant cinematic footage straight out of the camera. No need for post-editing or cropping to fit social platforms. It's built for instant sharing. Whether it's sunrise over a mountain ridge or city lights twinkling at night, you'll capture every moment in eye-popping clarity. What truly sets this drone apart for beginners is its omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It detects obstacles in all directions, giving you the confidence to fly without fear. Even novice pilots can maneuver through tight spaces or challenging environments without worrying about accidental crashes. Combined with the ActiveTrack 360-degree system, users can effortlessly track moving subjects with professional smoothness, perfect for action shots, solo filming, or dynamic storytelling. And if you're planning long sessions, the Mini 4 Pro won't let you down. It features an extended battery life with 3 included batteries, giving you uninterrupted flights that stretch up to 34 minutes each. You'll enjoy more flight time and less downtime, all while fast charging multiple batteries through the provided hub. No more stress about cutting your flight short due to power limits. Another standout feature is the 20-kilometer FHD video transmission. You'll get crystal clear, real-time video from afar, perfect for scouting, tracking, or just enjoying a bird's-eye view of the world. The low-latency feed ensures what you see is what your drone sees. No lag, no blur, just immersive flight every time. For those seeking a deeper level of immersion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro supports FPV functionality through RC Motion 3 and Goggles 3, sold separately. Experience your flight in first person and control your drone with a simple turn of your wrist. It's an intuitive and exciting way to fly, especially for users stepping into the FPV world. The package includes everything you need to start flying right out of the box: RC2 controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, shoulder bag, and more. It's a full-featured bundle that provides both value and convenience, especially if you're just getting started in the drone world. However, it's important to note that if you're flying for commercial purposes or in regions requiring remote ID compliance, you'll need to use the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which activates remote ID. Always check local regulations to ensure you're flying legally and safely. Whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or aspiring pilot, the DJI Mini 4 Pro makes taking to the skies simple and thrilling. It's one of the best beginner drones DJI has ever made, powerful yet accessible, packed with smart features, and crafted to inspire creativity in flight. What we like: 1. Vertical video is instantly share-ready. 2. Beginner-friendly with obstacle detection. 3. Lightweight design skips registration. 4th, high-range real-time video clarity. What we don't like? First, FPV gear sold separately. 2. Remote ID needs specific battery.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.